Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the monTEK motorized TV lift, designed for 37 to 65-inch TVs. If you're looking for a sleek way to hide or reveal your TV, this motorized lift promises a combination of strength, versatility, and modern smart control. Let's see what makes it tick. The first thing you notice about the monTEK lift is its installation flexibility. It's designed to fit in ceiling cabinets, standard cabinets, wall cabinets, or even mounted directly on concrete or wooden surfaces. This means whether you're setting up a high-end home theater or just want a stylish way to hide your living room TV, it can adapt. The electric height adjustment is where this lift really shines. It can lower your TV to around 31 inches and raise it up to 66 inches, giving you the perfect viewing angle for both seated and standing positions. And it does this almost silently, so you won't be distracted by motor noise while watching your favorite shows or movies. Build quality is another strong point. The lift supports TVs up to 132 pounds and has been tested 4 times its load for added safety. It accommodates a wide range of VISA patterns from 200 by 200 to 600 by 400, so most modern LED, LCD, OLED, and QLED TVs will fit securely. This makes it a solid long-term investment for anyone wanting a reliable lift mechanism. When it comes to control, the monTEK lift integrates with modern smart home setups. You can operate it using the included RF remote, your smartphone through the Tuya Smart app, or even voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Home. This hands-free functionality makes it incredibly convenient for everyday use. Safety is also a priority. The lift includes automatic overload protection and smart anti-collision features to protect both your TV and the lift mechanism itself. Installation is straightforward, with a detailed guide and all necessary hardware included. Although some users with older or custom cabinets may need a bit of extra ingenuity to get everything fitted perfectly. To sum it up, the monTEK motorized TV lift offers premium features like smooth electric height adjustment, smart controls, robust build quality, and flexible installation options. It's ideal for anyone looking to combine technology, convenience, and style in their home entertainment setup. That's it for today's product critique. If you're considering hiding your TV in a cabinet or ceiling, this lift is definitely worth a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a detailed review like this one.